Evening, chaps. Well, thought I'd do another episode of vintage lockpicking because this has been sent off to me from my friend Michael. Thank you very much, Michael. So this, obviously I didn't know what the fuck this was. Here's a Yale M555, am I right there? I hope so. 5-lever non-curtain lock, okay. Don't know how old it is, but it must be pretty fucking old. But nice bolt action, and you're gonna see this particular lock has got something crazy about it, something I've never seen before anyway. So let's set the camera up and have a bash at picking this mofo. Right, so we're going to be using my trusty 2-in-1. Was a little tricky bugger, but we'll see if we can get another open. Alright, so I'm just going to tension the bolt and just going to give it a little tickle everywhere and just see if we can get that open. No. That feels alright. Feels alright. Feels alright. Yeah, here we go, boys. Oi! This one's for you, Michael. Lovely jubbly. Right, I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's see if we can just extract this while we're there. Right, where's my fucking screwdriver? So, while we're still on vid, if we can do, sorry, doing this one-handed. Got a bit of knot. Let's just pop that there a second. And do that. Okay. That's going to just throw it back into lock position. I'm just going to take cap off. And there you go. How crazy is that? So you can actually see the bolt is in two parts. You have this part and this part there with obviously the stump running through them both, and 5 nice chunky old style levers. Lovely jubbly. Well, thank you, Michael. Another lock bummed open, and I'm going to move on to the next one. So message me whichever one you think I should do.